Can you imagine if I just boop? So, turns out I picked the worst day to do what I'm doing today. In addition to it being like 34 degrees, it is raining. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Okay, so what happened is my Lyft driver arrived and I felt weird like vlogging in front of him. So I am getting a new phone today. Woo-hoo! I'm so excited. I'm moving over to the dark side, which is iPhone. iPhone. Yeah, my phone completely shattered. I fell down the stairs and I landed on my phone. So I'll show you that when I get back home because I am recording on my phone right now. Anyway, yeah, so we're going to get a new phone, guys. Thank God I paid for protection, like the protection plan they give you because I wouldn't have afforded to. Anyway, I'm going in. I have to put my mask on. So change of plans. Unfortunately, I forgot my ID, my driver's license at home, and they refused to serve me even if I had my health card. I think it's a policy issue or whatever. And unfortunately, since it's Sunday, these places close really early. They're closing at 5, but the location at the mall closes at 6. So I called my mom and she agreed to bring my driving license to me, so that's good. What I'm gonna do, because I was just walking, I planned to walk from where I am to go to Davido, which is the mall, but I found one of these, and I think they were like not legalized, but I don't know, they started being in effect this weekend because I was seeing so many of them on Friday. So I'm gonna try one. I've never like driven a scooter before. That should be fun. But how hard would it be? Yo, that was so much fun. It was my first time ever riding a scooter, but of course in the beginning it's like shaky. I thought I'd fall, and I think you need a helmet. That I didn't know. But the only thing I wish they had done better is if they would show on the app where to park it, because from what I could see, like they say you should park in a parking zone for them, but they're all over, like across the road. Like that's another one just left, and I don't know how they charge. Do they charge wirelessly? Like so many questions, but it is definitely very fun. So I'm just walking the rest of the way to the mall, and then I'll go to my mom there, and then hopefully I can get the phone today. So I'll see you guys later. Okay, I'm back home finally. I got the phone. Woo, woo. Here it is. And before I actually set that up, I want to show you. So what happened is, I had my phone in my back pocket. I had my phone in my back pocket, and then I was walking down the stairs. I slid and I fell. So I landed on my phone. The front is actually okay, but the back completely, like, the back is horrible. And then I don't know if the camera will, it definitely will pick it, but the phone is even bent. So that's how high, I'm pretty sure like the stair ledge was right here, and then since it landed on the ledge, that's how it folded. So that's the current state of my phone. At least I was still able to use it even if it's broken. But if there's anything I've learned from this whole thing, is please get the protection plan, please get Apple Care, please get all these. Like, if your service provider provides the option for you to get protection for your phone, I highly recommend you do it, because I know for mine, I only had to pay $9 per month for the protection. And yes, I know, like, now that I'm replacing it, I still had to pay a little amount, but it's not like, it's nowhere close to what I would have paid if I was getting a brand new phone, or if I was trying to fix the phone. So yeah, moral of the story, please get protection for your phone. Get a case. I mean, the case didn't really help me much, and I didn't have a screen protector, but anyway, protection plan, that's the thing. Now, I've never had an iPhone before. I feel like I am a traitor to Samsung. I was a die-hard Samsung fan or Android fan, but let's try something new. Like, life is so short. I don't know if I can do like overhead. I can't do overhead because I don't have the equipment to do an overhead shot. I guess if I tried I could, but not today. So we're just going to open it. I'm just going to zoom in and you will see the process of opening. And there it is. Can you imagine if I just boop? Oops, that would be so bad. So I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max, such a long name. I got it in space gray, and I also got 256 GB, mostly because I know for sure I'm gonna have this phone for a really long time, God willing, and I just need more storage. So in the bag it comes with this little, I think these are the instructions, yeah, some Apple stickers, instructions, warranty stuff. It says hello, bonjour. Oh, and the little, you know, the little pin to open it. And then everything is pretty standard. Like, there's the charging brick, the earphones that you still have to, did they include one? Of course not. Of course I have to buy a dongle if I wanted to use, oh no. Okay, cool. They changed the port. Yeah, they changed the port. So now it's the lightning thing. standard charging cable. The main thing is the phone. So let us peel it. Oh yeah. So I saw so many videos like where the iPhone was fully covered in the plastic. I find it interesting that it's just the front, but it looks cool. I'm very like in awe. Let's turn it on. It's going on. Yeah. So I also got an app for my Samsung phone. It's called Move to iOS, and I think that's going to help me transfer all my information and apps and documents if I have some. So yeah, if you guys, I won't even bother you, like bore you with the whole setting up the phone. If you guys want to see what's in my phone, like the apps I use, let me know in the comments, because I love apps and I have, I think, a few interesting apps. So after I set it up, like if you guys want to see that, let me know. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thanks for joining me. If you liked the video, be sure to leave a like. If you like seeing me on your screen, subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.